Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a pretty cool one for you guys. I have two iPhone XS Max cases to review for you guys, but today it's just about the unboxing. And they also threw in a Quick Charge 3.0 car charger, so that's pretty cool of them. They usually throw in something nice, so I do appreciate that. Now, here we have the Fusion Clear, and here we have the Fusion X Navy. I do believe I asked for purple, but we'll have to see. Maybe they call it navy. But let's open the clear one first, just because I think this one is something that a lot of you guys are going to want, and it is in their nice eco packaging, so it's always easy to open. Very easy to see if someone's used it or not, so you always get something new. There is a little enclosure down here if you want to use that, but nothing else inside there. And here is the case itself, and let's see what else we get with it. Film removal guide, pretty easy to do there. Upselling, and then they want a review. So that's all you get in the box. So here is the case itself. Looks pretty standard for a clear case. Wow, this thing is decently sized. Of course, this is for the XS Max. This is not for the XS. We are still waiting for ours to ship in, and when it does, we will do a full review on this, but I'm gonna peel off this plastic real quick and I'll be right back. There it is in all of its glory. You can kind of see the dot matrix design all throughout it when I shine it in the light here. But wow, that is really clear. Let me see if I see any signs of yellow discoloring. Nope, not yet. It does look pretty good. So very crystal clear. This probably will yellow over time and with use, but it looks pretty crystal clear if you ask me. So yeah, this is the Fusion one. I think this one's probably going to be very popular, especially for those of you that got the gold and want to show it off. This color is great. All right, so let's check out the Fusion X in navy. So yeah, this is definitely not the purple one, but that's all right, Ringke. Same deal with what's in the package, but here is the case itself. Now it is showing a little darker on camera here than it is in real life, but it is a navy blue. Looks pretty nice. I was expecting purple, but this blue actually looks really nice as well. This one's more of a rugged design. Looks a little bit more rugged than this one, but again, looks really nice. So let me peel off this plastic again. There we have it. Pretty much crystal clear. You can also see the dot matrix here as well. Looks really good all the way around. Again, this is a pretty dang big phone. Those of you that got the XS Max, hopefully you got big hands because this is a pretty dang big phone. But again, this is just the unboxing, so we will have full reviews of these later. This looks like it got taped somehow at the top. Tape everywhere. I'm just gonna open it from the bottom. Savage mode. Let's see what we got in here. So, looks like we've got a tape. Ringke Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 for the car, and you guys can see there 2 ports. Very nice to have. And let's see what else comes in this box. Oh, nothing. So it's literally just this, but that is nice to have as well. So thanks to Ringke for sending this out free for review. I will have reviews on both of these cases coming up very soon, so stay tuned. But so far, first impressions, I've had these cases for my other phones. This is a solid choice if you're looking for a clear case for your phone. Very, very solid choice. It's got great protection all the way around, kind of a more rubbery feeling here, and then a harder TPU style here. So highly recommend this one. This one I'm gonna have to give it some testing because I'm not sure. I haven't used it before. Feels like it might give some more grip, although this could be a little slicker. Hard to say, but it does give it a more distinguished look, more of a rugged look, kind of more masculine. But that's that. So reviews coming up very soon. So stay tuned. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.